And Network Coach is going to be able to improve efficiency across different personas and roles within our network operator and people interfacing to the network. So first, let's think about like a NOC or a attack engineer who's troubleshooting an issue in the network. Maybe they're using a tool like Vertura Accelerated RCA, which will pinpoint down to that one specific event or issue that's causing the outage. But then what, right? Now they have to take the next steps. So Network Coach is going to provide recommendations on how to resolve the issue. They're going to bring in those steps and comb through the dense data that necessarily may be coming from the documents or even from just their experience or kind of tribal knowledge, but all that can be combined and brought very clearly and well organized to the NOC operator. So it'll be able to help with that. And then sometimes if you need to dig really deep, you want to get into like device logs, which can be very complicated and can take a lot of manual effort to comb through. Turns out large language models are pretty good at going through that depth of data, and they can find anomalies or pinpoint differences between sets of logs. So that'll be really beneficial for the NOC and TAC engineers. You could also think about a network design engineer who wants to look at their network and decide, okay, where do I have high congestion in my network? Where do I have bottlenecks? Where do I need to do a rebuild? You can take information like your service inventory and topology, and then Network Coach will be able to help assess and identify where some of those issues are, where you want to focus your efforts. And then you need to select what's the right service, what's the right build out, what are the right products that I might want to use to address this congestion. So having the access to those technical documents, bringing that into the problem you're trying to solve is really going to help the network design engineers as well. So you can start to see how it's not just one specific area, but different members that interface with the network and with the One Infinity components are going to see benefit from Network Coach.